How to post 60 seconds story on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to post the 60 seconds story on Instagram easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do guys is open the settings on your phone. Go to the apps manager, open the apps, go to the Instagram app right here. Now, all what you wanna do is click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. Click on the data usage and make sure to disable all those options and enable them again. Now, click on storage, click on clear cache, clear data, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram, and if you found this update option, then you have to click on it. That's it. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.